How we process the order. Receiving customer's order request. Sending quotation to our customers. Customer confirms the order. Signing contract with our customer. Flexible and easy payment options. Designing and preparing product sample. Producing and checking product sample. Quick delivery of product sample. Checking and confirming sample quality. Mass production in our factory. Quality assurance and packing finished product. Shipping products to the destination. Final documents sent to customers. Contact Haplast Group for more information.